My goodness!
A quick breakdown. The first part of this video is going to be me working out the throttle cable, getting that adjusted, and then from there it's just a domino effect. Got a new throttle body, old one just started falling apart. Ended up with a vacuum leak, and then car started running like trash. Hopefully it's the ground that was on the back of the cylinder head. You'll see it all in this video, but I done took the whole harness out, fixed the ground area, all that, fixed how the harness was ran in the car, all that, slowly putting it back together. Then I got everything plugged up. Thankfully got that crank sensor in without having to drop the starter, anything like that. But everything back ran. So hopefully here shortly, get it crunk up and everything smooth. But yeah, man, it's been hell. Cause I thought I figured out the issue with a new coil pack harness, and then come to find out, maybe it was just the ground on the backside. So we're gonna find out shortly. But everything re-ran, definitely ran it better. But as you can see, motion, race work, throttle body. So in this video, you're gonna see me figuring that out and all that there. So yep, it's a process. Finding all this stuff. Also finding stuff that I paid for that wasn't done, but you know, those are the breaks, man. Well, in the quest to figure out why my car started running like straight trash, I got this. I put it right there on the throttle body because, as you can see, hold on, I'll show you. Not that, but put this to the side. This right here, it was leaking from right here. This just came out on this Snake Eater Performance throttle body. So about to pop that off. Put this on there. I gotta figure out some stuff, but hopefully this doesn't go as bad as I think it's gonna go on my head. All right, close it. All right, push it all the way to the floor. All right, it's all the way to the floor. Yeah, so, yep, gotta adjust it. putting the gold covers back on. Also, I'm eliminating the vacuum line that was on here because it's already set in the ECU. So I also got to plug it up or cap off the reference point it was coming from because it's not needed for my setup. But put this back on here. I still have to adjust this throttle body for the Holly and all that, but just trying to piece it all back together. Seeing that I found the problem, damn vacuum leak, but and upgraded all this stuff I ain't need to upgrade. So, as you can see, I don't know where this video will start, but we'll start again right here. But I took everything out. I ran the speaker wire right through that, all that right there. Trying to clean everything up. Where's it at? Where is it at? Where's the one that I fixed? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? That ain't the one that I fixed. Where is the one that I fixed? Hang on, I can't find nothing. Nah, I can't find nothing. You got that one. That's a ground to something. Is it right? Oh, this one. All right. This the one that I fixed. I'll throw a video in.
You raggedy bitch.
Don't mind the mess. But I looked at the coil harness and yeah, I'm thinking that this could have possibly turned into my problem. I don't know if this just happened, but I'm thinking this could have turned into my problem because there's nothing pinched or anything in none of these wires. There's nothing ate through at any point on here. So, yeah, I'm thinking that this may have turned into my problem. This right here. I should have recorded it again myself, but I loomed up the main harness, got that out the way. Now I'm just about to figure out a way that I want to route this. I may cut back some of this so I can clamp it up against there. Where they at? I just had one in my hand. Here we go. I got these bigger clamps, so I might remove some of that, clamp it up right there, hit it with like a little sheet metal screw, nothing too deep, so I don't hit nothing on the other side, like with transmission and all that set. So I might do that, just cut a little hole in it, 2 little spots, so I could drill through. So that's a possibility. Or I was gonna mount it to this brace that holds up the dash, but yep, got the whole dash out. When I put it back, let me see. I don't know if I'm gonna put any of this duct stuff back because I don't have any AC. Don't necessarily plan to even run AC on the car, so these are all decisions that I'm about to make here shortly. But yep, everything's out. Also, I'm gonna clean up this area how I had my Dakota Digital ran. I'm gonna open this up some more and all that there. But yep, just trying to get it all put back together. It's a pain in the ass. Right now, I got everything out the way. I'm going to go about cleaning this up right here. These wires, clean all this up, put these in some loam, at least to about over here somewhere. So yeah, gonna take care of this real quick. Oh, also, I took out all this cruise control stuff, that bracket that was in my way when I was running my harness. So I got this cleaned up for the most part. I just gotta mount it up, get it out the way, and then yeah, keep trucking along. So yep. All right, here goes some I can add to this video. Made me a little makeshift grommet. Don't mind all them holes. Took some vacuum line, split it down the middle, and made me a little gasket. I'm gonna make it a little better, of course, but I just was trying to see if I could get it to work because I bought this stuff from Amazon. This is no bueno. So yeah, also, let me show you what I did the other day. When I cleaned up the wires, I put the tester tape on there. So got this all cleaned up. Now I'm about to mount this stuff up and go from there. But as you can see, I wanted to get a grommet on there to protect the wires and all that. So yeah. I know it looks crazy, but it's 1,000 times. It's gonna end up 1,000 times better than what it was. But yeah, stuff out the way. Yep.
Well, bye.